Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to add tasks in different projects. So finally, we have opened these projects. Now you can see this is archive project. So this is the simple task. We have click on details. Now after you can see this is the new tab is open. So just here you can click add to projects. You can see here there are multiple projects. Now we are adding this on new one. Now you can click here. Now again we have open new one. Now you can see the archive project is shown here. So you can also add tasks in different projects, like we are again click here and just click on new one. Now click on this button. So you can see in this way we add tasks in different projects on Asana.